Welcome to Stupid Bird Review! Tiana's a hen. So on Stupid Bird Review, we have a new bird. This is the red-eyed vireo. So he's green, with a blue cap, and a black fabric beak, and red eyes, of course. So he is from 2006. Here's his sound, he works. Text is red-eyed vireo. He's from Woodland Bird Series 2. He was released on February 10th, 2004. Here's his range. Here's some other series. Here's the rest of his series, which I actually have all of these. I have the pileated, the grosbeak, yellow-bellied sapsucker, yellow-rumped warbler, black-throated blue warbler, and the red-eyed vireo. Here's a description for the bird. I give him a 10 out of 10. It's a really good one. He has white belly, peach side or yellowish sides, green under his wings, and peach under his tail. And it's like steely blue on his head. Yeah.